What is up? It is Jordan from By 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And if you guys didn't notice, I changed the picture out. Apparently, some of you guys didn't like this one right here. I think it's pretty cool. It's just, that's the crappy side. So my friend got me this because I originally lived in Lamar's, Iowa, and they are the Blue Bunny capital of the world. And he likes to do antiquing. So he picked this up at an antique store. It's a pretty nice sign. I mean, it's not like paper or anything, but apparently some of you guys didn't like it. Some of you even went as far as to say that I was poor because of this picture, which is weird. I don't get that. So instead, I changed it to me kissing the bricks at Indy Speedway. It is a canvas. It's a lot bigger than it looks right there, but it's about this big or whatever. It's really really cool. It's just me kissing the bricks at the Indy 500, something that I got to do this past year on top of a lot of things I got to do. I got to go to Boston. I got to do all kinds of things thanks to my new online business that I had been working on all year long. And so it's been great. So just in case you guys are wondering the backstory on that, I figured I'd put that up instead, and hopefully you guys stop complaining about my blue bunny picture, because I guess that's the thing about the internet. Everybody has something to complain about. On top of that, Merry Christmas. Hope you guys had a great time for Christmas. New Year's is coming right up here tomorrow, and so let me know what your guys' New Year's resolutions are. I'd be very interested in knowing about that. And then I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about what mine are, and then on top of that, just so you guys know, like I said, I have 4 courses and I'm putting them all together into one course. I'm almost finished doing that. By the new year, that's going to be done. So that's going to be all 4 courses. I won't be selling them separately anymore. They're going to be all together for probably about $350. And so that's going to kind of get rid of the which course should I buy type thing that a lot of you guys go through. So if you guys have a couple of the courses already and you want to just buy one without having to pay that $350, today's your day to do that. You're going to need to do that. I also have the prices at the lowest they've ever been. So today's the last day on that. I'm going to be upping the prices back to the normal prices. So right now, all my courses are $75, and then the masterclass is $95. Tomorrow, it's going to go back to the normal $125 and $165 until I consolidate them all into one $350 course. So if you guys want one of the courses, today's your day to do that. Start 2019 off fresh. Make some freaking money, guys. That's what I'm going to be doing. 2019, first of all, 2018, I'm going to show you guys, my next video is going to be my year earnings, okay? I'm going to show you guys all the year earnings and go through everything that happened for me this year, just kind of as an update, just so you guys can see from beginning to end how much money I made. Obviously, I'm not sure yet because we still have pretty much 2 days left in the year, but I can tell you it's going to be somewhere between 930,000 and 970,000. And that's just the beginning, guys, because 2019, I'm expecting to double that, okay? There's no reason why I can't double it, okay? If I'm doing everything that I was doing and I continue to get that upward trajectory on top of everything that I've learned this year, there's no reason why I thank God for everything that I've gotten this year. And so as far as 2019 goes, first of all, my main goal is going to be to add another income stream, okay? So that's probably not going to be in the form of like another YouTube channel where I download and repost videos. I already post enough of those every single day. So right now I have the 3 monetized channels that I use to download and repost videos on YouTube to make money without making my own videos. And then I have my 4 courses that I sell, and then I have right now 2 Shopify stores that I'm running. And so I want to add something new, and it's not going to be another Shopify store. It's not going to be another YouTube channel. It's not going to be another course. It's going to be something different. And so I don't know what that's going to be yet. I'm going to do a lot of research and find out what's the best action to take now that I have some money and I can put that into something else in order to make another form of income. And then on top of that, maybe looking into investing some of this money, kind of learning more about that, and then learning more about taxes, because apparently a lot of you guys think there's ways to kind of make the burden a little less. So I'm going to learn about that as well. On top of that, um, definitely want to kind of work on myself. So get in better shape, eat better, go to sleep earlier, and wake up earlier. Obviously, this past year, is my first year not having to go to school or work or anything. I've been free pretty much the entire year. And so, actually, the entire year. And so, I kind of, you get into the habit of, oh, well, I can wake up whenever I want, so I'll just go to bed really, really late. But then you get your circadian rhythm and stuff all messed up. And so, I've kind of been, going to bed really late one night, waking up really, really late the next day, and kind of, jumping all over the place. So I want to kind of get that in order, in bed by midnight, up by 9 a.m., something like that. So I want to be strict about that. And like I said, exercise more, eat healthier. So those are my main goals. And then on top of that, making 2 million, that's my goal, my main goal. And then, in order to do that, probably going to need to add another income stream here. So we're going to be focused on that. So let me know what you guys are going to be doing in 2019. I'd like to know what your resolutions are, what you plan on doing, and all of that. And then also let me know how your Christmas was. Very interested in learning about that as well. And so this is kind of just an update video, just kind of a check-in before the end of the year. Let you know what my main resolution for you guys. I hope, because I'm excited that it's 2019 because it's kind of just a reset button, So I know exactly how much I made this year. I know what my taxes will be, roundabout way, And so as soon as, January 1st hits, it's a new year. And I just want to come out swinging, right? Because I know that's like, I'm, trying to see how much I can make in a year, right? And so that all starts, in 2 days. And so I'm really, really excited about that. It's kind of just a reset button. And I plan on doing a lot of work that I haven't been doing. So, as far as like selling courses goes, for instance, I want to really get into Google AdWords, right? I really want to start selling on YouTube. Obviously I have a YouTube course, and so selling it on YouTube is the best way to do it, right? And so, there's a reason why you see Alex Becker, Ty Lopez, Kevin David, people like that all day long, no matter what video you watch, right? It's because it's successful. It works for them. And so I kind of want to learn what those guys are doing. How are those guys, having, spending $500,000 on ads, because obviously it's making them hundreds of, or tens of millions or whatever. And so I want to figure out more about that because obviously I've made quite a bit on courses this year, right? With 12,000 subs. So obviously there is a really strong audience that is really interested in my product, but I got to get it in front of more people. So I'm interested in seeing exactly how, AdWords will play into that. I've messed with it a little bit before, but I haven't really studied it in depth to see, what people like Alex Becker are doing to really leverage it. So I'm going to learn those type of things. I'm really interested in that. Maybe making some new ads and stuff that you might see at the beginning of some YouTube videos that you watch, and just kind of play with those things and figure out. I also might be getting a new camera and lighting and a microphone. I'm tired of comments of people complaining about it. I don't think it's that bad. Maybe you don't click the HD button in the bottom. I don't freaking know. When I go watch it on my laptop after I'm done, I can hear it perfectly. I can see it perfectly. To me, it looks like every other video, but obviously I'm probably a little biased or blind or whatever. But, so based on that, I might actually, get a really nice camera, a really nice microphone so people quit saying, oh, your video sucks, you don't have money to buy a camera. Like, yeah, I definitely have money to buy a camera. Even when I freaking worked at First Data, I had enough to buy a camera. And then people keep saying that, oh, you don't even have any furniture. I freaking hate that one. Because this is, okay, look. Look at this. This is called an Oculus Rift, okay? Okay, you put this on your eyes, and then you walk around. How safe is that with freaking couches in my computer room? Who wants to sit on a couch in my computer room? There's nothing in here but my computer. Why? Obviously, 2 people live here. We've got plenty of furniture in the living room. We've got plenty of furniture in the other bedroom that we have. We don't need furniture in my computer room. So anyway, that one I get sick of. But in order to shut you guys up on that one, I'm not putting a couch in here. So you can just kill that right now. I could be I could be a billionaire and I wouldn't have a couch in here. Just so you guys know. So that's it for this one, guys. Just kind of an update to let you know. It's probably gonna be my last video before 2019 hits. And when 2019 hits, and I make a new video. It might be really good quality. It might be a new camera, new lighting system, new microphone. I don't even know, but I wanna crank up the videos that I make on this channel. I want to crank up my subs. I'm up to 12,071, which is freaking awesome. Because I just started this channel. Let me look real quick. I'm not sure when I started this channel. Let me go to about real quick. April 16th. April 16th. So 8 months. 8 months, 12,000 subs. I'd say that's pretty good for this niche. So that's pretty cool, but I want to crank that up. I want to do a video every day. So I want to give you guys a lot of value and things like that. And I've been kind of slacking off on making videos, so I wouldn't mind doing a video every day. And hopefully it's better quality, better camera, better microphone, all that good stuff. So look forward to that, and I'm just gonna be trying a lot of new things in 2019. And as I do those things, I'll be documenting them for you too. So any new strategies I learn, any new income streams, anything like that, anything I learn with Google AdWords, I'm going to be documenting that stuff for you guys along the way in 2019, just as I did in 2018. So let me know what your New Year's resolutions is. Hopefully, like I said, you need to start stepping it up in 2019. If you've been lazy, if you've been procrastinating, if you've just been doing nothing but watching videos and you haven't been applying what you've been learning, now's the time, okay, guys, because it's